Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? I know, we're going to take a look at something else by Johnny Slicks. I know as you can easily tell by this face, the hat, the thumbnail, the title, everything else you clicked on. Today we're going to take a look at another product from the brand new Black line, the Omega Beard Oil. Now, when I mean brand new, seriously brand new, it just dropped Black Friday, November 2020. It really is brand new, and I have enjoyed the crap out of wearing it. But we're going to get to all that fun stuff here in just a moment. For those of you who are familiar with Johnny Slicks, skip ahead about like a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes. I love to give some background info on the company. If you want to watch that, go ahead. If not, skip ahead. You're going to get right to the meat of the video. All right, now like I said, you can find these over at www.johnnyslicks.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave it down below in the description box. One-click easy access. All right? They are very proudly made in the USA out of Holly Ridge, North Carolina. Now, Johnny and his business partner are both former United States Marine Corps. So Semper Fi, Devil Dogs. I love everything you're doing over there. Keep up the good work, or, well, I might have to say the nasty word giveaway around Nick and watch his eye twitch yet again. But still. Guys, it's kind of funny. If you ever catch Nick Comalazzo's video and mention giveaway, you'll see his eye tick. It's really funny. They are 100% organic. Johnny is very, very particular about what goes into his products. Seriously, go YouTube search Johnny Slicks origin story. You're going to have him explain it a lot better than I ever could. They also are 100% approved by the Better Business Bureau. So that makes them the only former Marine Corps owned, I should say veteran owned, 100% organic, 100% approved by the Better Business Bureau. But wait, there's more. They were recently featured in Forbes magazine. I think it was like number 2 and number 3 men's grooming products in the world. So I think that's really cool for a company officially entering its 3rd year of business. I mean, that's a score in itself right there. Now, I say officially entering because Johnny really got his start in like July of 2016. But he really hit it huge when he partnered up with Nick Comalazzo in February of 2018. And these guys have just taken off running. They really have. They've hit the ground running and they're just meeting objective after objective after objective. Really wouldn't expect anything else from Marines. I'm just saying. Now, the 1 ounce oil is going to run you $20. Hold on. I got something for you. Seriously, I really do. Look right here. That's my discount code with Johnny Slicks. TCTBNL. Go ahead and use that. It's going to save you some money off of your purchase. Like I said, discount. I make nothing if you use it. So, use it, save yourself some money. It's an official code for this channel that Johnny has graciously given you, my amazing viewers. Now, I know it's a little bit higher than like the other stuff from Johnny, but still, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. You'll see a bunch of stuff from them out there, and you're going to understand why it really truly is worth every single penny. Ooh, I was flipping that too soon. Now, the ingredients in this guy are tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, Brazilian nut oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, and body safe fragrance. Now, the scent profile is very complex, okay? Nick Comalazzo likes to say that this is for an older, more distinguished gentleman type cologne. I don't get cologne. I really, truly don't. I get some different aspects of this one. Yeah, I get more of a lot of the citrusy stuff out of here mixed in with some of the other notes. It doesn't really give me cologne. It's a great smell, but I don't get cologne. So I'm going to ruin it here in a moment, guys. So we got bergamot, lemon, cardamom, grapefruit, lavender, lime, jasmine, rose, coconut, black pepper, cinnamon, cypress, tonka bean, cedarwood, musk, and hints of sandalwood, vanilla, and amber. Oh, that's a mouthful on its own. It really, truly is. But it's a great smell to it. I'll be honest, I pick up a lot of the citrusy notes and the black pepper. And towards on the back end, I seriously get amber. Yeah, I know she gets around, and vanilla. But other than that, yeah, it doesn't give me cologne. I mean, out of the entire black line, it's not bad. Yeah, I'm just screwing with Nick. I like it. But I'm going to shoot another video in a moment about Alpha versus Omega, so you guys will see the official results right there, especially stuff within my house. I'm just shooting that one for fun. It's a great pickup. I mean, the stuff is just, it smells amazing in beard. How can I put it? All the women in my house love it. They really, truly love it. I made them sniff, and they're like, yeah, that's it. So, 3 out of 3 in my house like it. I'd say it's pretty good. Just saying. All right, now normally I do stuff like this is how you use beard oil, here's its uses, but I'm in the process of shooting a video that I'm going to link somewhere, but I haven't done it yet, so we're just going to move on with that. So, we're at the best part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, right down below in the comments section. I want to know, have you used Johnny Slicks before? Have you picked up any of the black line? Have you tried Omega? How do you feel about it? You know, I like it. I'm not going to say which one I prefer because that's going to be another video that you're going to have to check out. But still, yeah. All right. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this video. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? Why don't you look right down below? Excuse me. Why don't you leave me a comment right down below? Man, tongue-tied. I really hate when I do block filming and I lose my train of thought. I just try to go with it, realize I screwed it up, and I gotta do something like this. And you guys know I don't edit that out of my videos because I leave it in there so you can see my screw-ups. And by the way, shut up, Beard Code, if you're watching this. I know you are. I know you're laughing. Respect your elders, young man. But yeah, why don't you guys leave me a comment right down below what I can do, you know, to earn your subscription. You never know how you may change the course of history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My look at the Black Line's Omega Beard Oil by Johnny Slicks. I hope all of you are having a great day today. I hope you're having a safe day, and we'll see you in the next video.